grammar. Today we are going to learn about punctuation marks. First we will learn definition of punctuation. Punctuation is the art of putting in correct marks or stops in the appropriate places while writing so that the reader gets the correct meaning of what is written. Means with the help of punctuation mark you can express your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions neatly and clearly. There are 8 punctuation marks in English grammar. First, the capital letter. Second, the full stop. Third, the comma. Fourth, the question mark. Fifth, the exclamation mark. Sixth, the dash. Seventh, the hyphen. And eighth, the last one is the colon. But now we will see first punctuation mark, that is capital letter. Capital letter. When use capital letter to begin a sentence. To begin a sentence means when you start to write any sentence, that time your first letter should be capital. For example, the boy was very happy. In this sentence, first word is the and first letter is T. T is capital. And second time, for proper nouns. We have already learnt proper noun. What is meant by proper noun? Proper noun is a particular name of any person, anything, any place, yeah, animal. For example, Meena. Meena is a particular name of girl. The Ganga means you know na names of all rivers. Rivers common noun, but the Ganga is proper noun. Means when you write any name of proper noun, that time always use capital letter like G. Ganga. Third, Maharashtra. Like this. Third, for words like I and those referring to God, means any sentence always for I use capital letter. For example, I know that God will help me, for He is all merciful. Means in this sentence I is capital. Means you can use any sentence, always use I in the capital form. Now we will see second punctuation mark, that is the full stop. And full stop always indicates this sign. Means this sign is indicating full stop. When use full stop at the end of assertive and imperative sentence. Students, we have already learnt about assertive sentence and imperative sentence. Assertive sentence and imperative sentence always starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. For example, the dog ran out of the door. In this sentence, the word is first word and T is capital, and this sentence end with full stop. Second, after abbreviation and initials. For example, first we will see abbreviations. Abbreviations means MA. You know na all degrees, MA, BCom, BA, LLB, PhD, D Pharmacy, B Pharmacy. MA means Master of Arts. BCom means Bachelor in Commerce. But we always write short form M full stop A full stop. That is called abbreviation. And initial. Initial means here, look here, Mr. A. Patil. For example, Atharva Anil Patil. But not full form of Atharva Anil. Only A. Patil. Means initial of Atharva Anil Patil. Initial A. Patil. For example, the milkman met the shopkeeper, but he wasn't the thief. Means here after shopkeeper, milkman taken one clause. So the milkman met the shopkeeper, but he wasn't the thief. Now third time, two separate words in a list. You know na, list of any grains, list of any fruits, list of any vegetables. For example, the seller sold bread, biscuits, sweets, etc. You can take any one example. I like fruits: mango, banana, apple, grapes. Fourth time, two separate nouns, names used to address someone. Means comma is mostly used in address to someone. For example, Priya, can you pass the tea please? Here addresses to Priya. So Priya, can you pass the tea please? In this way, comma used in fourth ways. Next, we will learn fourth type of punctuation mark, that is the exclamation mark, and this is the sign of exclamation mark. When we use first at the end of an exclamation or interjection. Students, we have already learnt about information interjection in parts of speech. For example, hooray, it's a holiday tomorrow. Means when you expresses your happiness, that time after your happiness feelings you can use exclamation sign. Second time, at the end of an exclamatory sentence. In types of sentence we have already learnt exclamatory sentence, and after exclamatory sentence you can give exclamation sign. For example, what a colorful rainbow. After rainbow, exclamation sign. For example, what a beautiful car. Wow, how nice this is. Students, in this way, today we have learned 4 punctuation marks. First, the capital letter. Second, the full stop. Third, the comma. And fourth, the exclamatory mark.